hey, it's the next day. It's still cold in here. I got the torpedo heater going. I think when I got in here about 10 minutes or so ago, it was like 35. It's up to 41 now. That thing works really good. I'm very happy with that purchase. So we're doing these now. This is what they look like. We've already got one put together up top there. Hi, Sophie. So here's what it looks like in the box. We've already taken one of the legs up. Britt's up there putting it together now. So we're going to put this thing together up top. So I'll kind of set you up here to where you kind of got a pretty good view, hopefully. I got to get a better mount for the GoPro. That's in the process. But here we go. Let's see if this will work. Alright, we got the first set up here. We got another one to do yet. But let's go ahead, we'll get this one put together. This should be a pretty good shot. Hopefully the GoPro doesn't take a tumble. I'll set you here, hopefully it doesn't take a tumble over the edge. We'll see though. That's good. So we got that one done, but Britt kind of has a case of OCD, and we built this one the other night, and as you can see, we kind of didn't make the racks the same size or the same like height. So now I think we're gonna go back and switch them back to these just so it looks better. So We're gonna do that now?
Should I go with the rubber mallet?
Yes.
We gotta put these.
So we finally got it done. We got all three in. So we got this one here, this one, and this one. And so I think that's all we're gonna do up here for now. Because I think here, in this area, that's gonna kind of be the sports. So I got a rack coming here soon that'll hold all the bikes up, and then we'll kind of put some stuff down low for the sports. And then my golf clubs, I'm either gonna put a rack there or there, same thing on Amazon, it's coming. So, all right, so that's been us putting together these three shelves. We like them pretty well. I mean, the only thing that we've seen that we kind of didn't like is that some of these racks, some of these grates here kind of got bent like that one there, and they don't completely fit down all the way. And then you can kind of see how right here the shelf or the grate is real tight against the post, and then right here it's not. That could be something that we did. I mean, we could have made it kind of cockeyed a little bit, but other than that, I mean, it really doesn't affect the function of it. But other than that, we like them so far. You'll see them more in future videos. All right, thanks guys. Hey guys, I'll put a link in the description below on these racks here, just in case you guys are interested. They come from Home Depot, but yeah, I'll put a link in the description below.